All right, today we're gonna do a cheesy bagel. All right, get your favorite bagels. I'm gonna put them in the little oven that we have. You need to have a little oven or maybe an air fryer. It does work on an air fryer, good too. But add your cream cheese. All right, your cream cheese goes on top as a base, right? And it's very simple. You could add, you don't have to do this. You could do your own way. Some people like to put ham, eggs, whatever you want, and toast it up. But I like cheese. Love cheese, especially in the morning. It's milk product, so everybody just do milk in the mornings. Well, I was. I don't know about everyone. If I could speak for myself then, so cheese everywhere. It's gonna melt. It's okay. Just make sure you put paper foil on bottom of the actual little oven that you're gonna use it, because it does get messy. My wife actually puts paper foil in because we're messy people here. So I'm gonna get pinches of cheese. Try to keep it together, stay together. Little pinches of cheese. If you're not going there, little tiny pinches of cheese because it's gonna melt. I want them to melt over these. All right, that should do it. That one. Try to use the cheese to hold on to the other cheese. And I'm using mozzarella cheese, all right? Mozzarella from Trader Joe's. But you can use any cheese that you want, all right? I bought some cheese the other day that said mozzarella. And if you read the fine print, some of these are lying to you. In fact, we're going to check it out if this is lying to us sometimes. So some cheese is combined with tofu. And let me see if this one has tofu or its ingredients, all right? Pasteurized mozzarella cheese, skim, okay. Salt, okay. All right. So this is okay, but read the fine print, because believe it or not, they mix it up with tofu to make more volume of it. And they lie to you. They don't give you cheese. They give you tofu mostly. It's crazy. So I saw that in one of the stores. I bought a big old bag and it didn't taste like it's supposed to, but keep an eye on that. And if you don't believe me, check out the market. Go to market and see, find out for yourself. See how we have paper foil? We always have paper foil. So I don't want to make them too deep. So we're going to make them all the way here at the front so we can see it. So we have a little oven. Jeez, a little piece came out. And we're going to turn it on. We're going to do the toast spread only. That's how fast it's going to cook, all right? So we're going to go toast spread. It's about 450 to 6 minutes, all right? Keep an eye on it. It might be less, all right? Because this thing cooks fast, so hit start. And it's a little dirty, but it keeps all the flavor. So let's go and see, check it out when it comes out, all right? I'm not going to show you how I'm going to eat these because they're going to cool down and they're going to be super hot. So I'm just going to show you how they look like right now. Look at how they came out. Look at that. This is on the toaster oven, all right, that we have. And they're really hot, so be careful. I'm going to use my two hands to get them out right now. But look how beautiful they are. So this is a very simple bagel setup, all right? It toasts the bagel. It has a layer underneath of it, cream cheese, and then over it, mozzarella. So if you guys ever want to do a simple bagel like this, you could add your own ingredients. Look at this. This is the cream cheese. That's hot. It's melted good with the other cheese. So I hope you guys enjoy your meals.